Hi, my name is Beefcake Jenkins, and I just want to tell everybody that I'm looking for a sensitive woman who enjoys eating a lot of meat and likes to watch cage fighting and doesn't mind if I pick my nose or if I cut the cheese every now and then. So, that kind of stuff makes me laugh. And, if I eat a little too much and every now and then I gotta, roll over and let one squeal like, yeah! If I could, meet somebody who's, really into that kind of thing and, really likes music where it involves a lot of, banging your head against things and then going and eating some meat and a lot of bread. So just give me a call and we'll eat some meat together.